All right, so yesterday we were running our simulations. If you didn't finish running all 20, then do that now.
I don't understand the question of number 5.
No, we're not on number 5. Okay, so we're not done with D. We're going to finish D.
Yeah.
Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to add up all of these numbers and then divide it by 20, okay, to see what her average number of shots, okay, that she has to make before she misses.
Alright, let's do it.
That's a lot of numbers. There should be an easier way to do this. Just like photo math it. You know what would be cool? Like if our brains could literally look at the document, like you know how in the fake shows they show their brains just like doing the math like in their head, but like it's all out like that. I wish like that actually happened to people.
Okay.
Like I would like be so happy. Like I don't know.
Bruh, I got 80. I have to divide by 2 though.
Mine made it 59.
20. It's 20.
Mine got 68.
4.
Did I do this right?
Divided by
Divided by 20.
Yeah, and then I
It's
got
20 on the top and the bottom.
2.95. So
Divided by 20.
why did you say 50 something
So
point?
it could be like
Hold on.
3 point.
Yeah, wait, you got
I got 80 and then I divided
Did you do what? Did you do multiplication, Sarah?
No. Wait.
Where did you get this?
All right, so whatever you get goes in the blank. Okay, so for mine, she might shoot about 4.45 shots before she misses on average.
I literally got an exact number.
Why is it a paper straw? It's not paper, it's flavored. It's edible.
Is it the strawberry one?
Yes. I got the lime one and the lime one was gross the last time.
Yeah,
Like,
Kenny had that one
backpack.
when it was like when it came with one of the drinks,
Yeah,
and he
I
was
got
like,
that
"This thing's nasty."
The lime straw was bad, but the drink was good. But it was in the.
Would we not round it?
No.
And my sister didn't
Oh,
just
we
give me a
can't?
smoothie today. She got me this pressed banana peanut butter thing, flatbread thing. It was really good, and I was really shocked.
Why would we not round it?
Just because you don't. Just on average. It's not saying that she is shooting that many. It's saying on average, that's when she would miss.
Between 4 and 5.
4.45 shots before she misses.
That's just weird.
I know what we're gonna. Okay, never mind. We're not on this problem yet. When we're on 5, can I see if I know what I'm doing?
In a second.
Because I know we're not done with this one. So.
Well, technically we now are done with this one,
No,
but.
never mind.
Okay, so 5, what it's asking is saying, in comparison to the 80% success from number 4, if you changed it to be 72%, how would you change the simulation? So, what do you think it is?
I think because the number is 72 instead of like 70, so you have to use double digits. And then like 0 to, since it's 0 to 7, it would be 0 to like it would be a little different because it's single digits, but it would be 0 to like 60 something instead of 68. Would it be 0 to 68 and then 69 to 100 or 99? 69 to 99.
Well, it's 72, so,
Oh, 100.
well, it would be 70 to 71.
Oh.
So we're still going to use random integers.
We were doing. I got the right concept.
Okay, we're using 0 to 99, okay, on the calculator. If, however, you are using a random number table, you would need to use something like 0 to 99, okay, because everything would have to be 2 digits. Okay, but on the calculator, you can just use 0 through 99. With 0 to 71 being a good shot, and 72 to 99 being a miss shot.
I'm glad I understood that. I didn't think I was gonna get it right. I was prepared for rejection.
Technically, you did. You were just.
And you tried to answer the problem about children.
That's because I wanted to.
I already had it figured out.
We didn't know.
Okay, but I got it right enough.
Could be lying though. You could have gotten it wrong. Just
Yeah, you could have been
saying
like
it.
5 and 2. You know, there's no proof, so we're just gonna go with.
Yeah, I have no proof that you didn't get it right. I mean, that you. Well, yeah, but like, obviously.
Proven get it. Proven
Uh-huh.
guilty before proven innocent. We're switching the phrase around. Proven wrong before proven right.
Okay, we're gonna skip 6 because
Even like guilty until
we
proven.
need random number tables, and I don't have one screenshot to write on or to look
How
at.
many of them are we skipping?
We're just skipping number 6. We're gonna come back to 6, just not right now. Just not today. So jump to 7, because 6 specifically wants us to use the random number table. And
God bless you. No, you should have done the same thing.
okay, so skipping 6, so going to 7.
Don't act like
Open it. I don't know what I just clicked there. All right, so 1-on-1. In basketball, a 1-on-1 is a free throw attempt in which the player gets to make an additional free throw if she makes her first attempt. Suppose a player makes 72% of her first shot, and for her additional shot, she makes 65% of the free throws. Estimate the number of points she might earn for her team.
They did this yesterday, and I was so confused when they said 1-on-1, and I was like, "What the heck does that mean?" But now I understand.
All right, so identify the component that is to be repeated.
The shot.
Okay, taking a free throw.
This is the constant. No, that's pre count. Why did I still throw like that?
All right, so then explain how you will model this outcome.
Well,
Well, would you do the same thing you did for the one on the other page, but with 2 of the trials? Like one for the first shot and then another one for the second shot?
Basically, yes. So
There's a big difference.
0, 0 to 71, K, or if we're on a calculator, just 0 to 71. Makes the first shot. If the number is in that range, then look at the second 2-digit number. Okay, or we would just click the button again on our calculator to run another number. Zero, 0 to 64. Then she makes the second shot. All right, so explain how you will simulate the trial. So we're going to look at random numbers. We're going to do it on the calculator just to make it easier. If she makes both, she earns 2 points. If she misses her first, she gets 0. And then if she makes the first and misses the second, she gets 1. So we're going to see how many points she gets for her team.
I would not like being analyzed like this if someone just like just wanted to. Like that just made me uncomfortable.
Well, that's how they do it. Like,
All right, so clearly state what the response variable is. So what is the response?
if she makes a shot.
How many points she gets?
Yeah, the number of points she earns for her team. All right, so we're going to, it says run 5 trials, but we're going to run 20. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to set up a table here.
Oh, a table.
Okay, and I'm going to let y'all do this on your own calculators as well, so y'all's answers will be a little different. Okay, so you're going to still go to the math, okay, and then the probability. Okay, you're going to do the random integer.
So we're gonna do 2 in the end thing.
Huh?
Are we gonna do 2 in the end thing?
Oh yeah, I forgot. It doesn't just give you one number. Yeah, you can do 2. If the first number is in the correct range, okay, then you can look at the second number in the set. So
And the
you're,
upper is 100.
huh?
Is the upper 100 or 90?
99. So 0 to 99. So random integer from 0 to 99, 2 at a time.
Okay, how are you gonna put the first one in? Like, are you just gonna do like the dashes?
Yeah, I'm just gonna put ticks. Well, okay, hold on. So, like, for example, my first time I clicked it, I got 39 and 17. Okay, and we said that if a 0 to 71 occurs on the first shot, then she made it, and then if a 0 to 64 occurs on the second shot, then she made it. So that means that she made both. So I'm going to put a tick in the 2-point spot.
But we don't need to have them all so we can add them all together.
No, we just want to know how many she scored in each one. I don't need to know what they are. Okay, so remember you're going to run it 20 times. Okay, and like the second time I got 43 and 98, so that means she made the first but missed the second. So you put a tick in the 1, and obviously y'all's is going to end up being different, so we're just going to see what it ends up coming out to be.
Okay, so like the first one has to be pretty much just anything lower than 71. Well, 71 and lower. And the next one has to be 64 and lower. Okay.
And then do we add everything else up that we, like all the points that she made?
Yeah, but just hold on a second. All right, Alright, so then after you've done all your little tick marks, just draw the amount that was there. How many times she got each number of points.
Your girl did good. Only got 0 points too.
That is
Really?
crazy.
Mine's sucking.
I got the same thing.
It was funny when I did it off the random number table, because obviously it says use a random number table. We did the calculator. Last year it was, for mine, it was 5, 2, 13 for the rows that I used,
Whoa.
which is just funny.
She needs to pick it up.
I got
She's
5, 5,
really,
10.
Oh my gosh, she's gotten so many 0 points. This isn't even funny.
So it's like 10, 5, 5.
Okay, so Taylor's girl isn't very good.
Okay, how many do I have?
I guess ours is
Okay,
really
5,
kind of
7,
good, actually.
It actually is really good. Like only missed 2
10,
out of 20 shots.
11, 12, 13.
Well, technically they missed.
Well, missed more than
They
2.
missed.
7.
They missed.
7.
Yeah.
But like,
Hey, she got another 2-pointer.
if you think about it, she made
Oh, that's 1 point.
5, 10, 11, 12. So 26,
1.
26, 31. She made 31
She made
shots
31 shots.
out of
Good job, mommy.
5.
20. It tastes weird, the straw. But I don't want to touch it because it feels
Okay,
like,
I'm done.
like
Wait,
slimy.
5. Okay, yeah, I finished.
Alright, so for part F, analyze the response variable. So what you're going to do is over here to the right hand side, we're going to do something for 2 points, 1 point, and 0 points. Okay, so we're going to find the percentages. So for 2 points, you're going to do, for me, it's 13 out of 20. Okay, so however many she got. For me, for 1 is 5 out of 20. And then 0 is
I'm so happy.
2 out of 20. Okay, and then find those percentages, round to the nearest whole percent.
I'm so happy it's like 10 out of 20 and 5 out of 20.
Yours are easy.
Such a nice percentage.
Okay. All of mine suck. 7 out of 20. 9 out of 20. Actually, 4 is
It's
4
like
is okay.
5% for every point, or for every 2 points.
Wait,
It's not bad.
hold up. I have an extra.
They're taught.
Wait, can I just not do math? 9. No, I don't. I can't do math. We're good, actually.
Now my lips taste like
Can I
strawberries.
ask you why I did it on my own calculator when we had the same answers? I don't know.
Wait a minute, I mixed them up. I can't today.
My fractions were really nice and kind to me. And I didn't even have to look anything else on my calculator. Yeah, 'cause it was 10, 5, 5. Oh, 5, 5, 10.
Alright, so then for average points earned, okay, it's going to be out of 20 attempts, okay? We're going to see how many points she earned per attempt. So figure out how many points this is. So obviously the 2-point column, this is not 13 points. This was 13.
26.
Okay, 13 times that she made both. So that's 26 points for me plus 5. So 31 out of 20.
Right?
Okay, so obviously for whatever your problem is. Okay, that's how many points she earned. That's how many times that she went to the line.
Wait, how did you do that?
You just did 31 divided by 20.
Well, 31 was for her though.
Yeah, so you add up the total number of points. So 13 times she got 2 points. That's 26 points. 5 times she got 1 point. So add that on. So that's 31.
I know, it's obviously. Yeah.
Dang, mine only got 17 out of 20.
I can see.
She'd be pretty bad.
Popping out, bro.
17
she did really bad. She had 7 0 points.
Mine had 1.25 points.
Okay, so then for the state your conclusion in the context of this problem, all you need to say is that on average, okay, and yours is obviously your number is going to be different. She earns 1.55 points for her team
She didn't even get a whole point.
when she goes to the free throw line. Or when she shoots 1-on-1, I guess would be the better thing to put.
Ooh. Sorry, that was kind of gross.
Bless you.
Thank you.
I sound like an old man when I sneeze. You have like genuinely nice laughs and genuinely nice sneezes are just so annoying. 'Cause I
Yeah, but
sound
she actually like look at that.
All right. Question 8. Multiple choice. You take a quiz with 6 multiple choice questions. That's really unfortunate. That's all that's on there. After you studied, you estimate that you would have an 80% chance of getting any individual question correct. What are your chances of getting them all right?
Oh, but
Is this where you have to do the random? Okay, stop. Berkeley? No.
Identify the component that is to be repeated.
The answers, the chance of you getting it right.
The questions, the 6 questions.
The questions on the quiz.
This is weird. Questions.
I said the same thing, just different.
Wait, questions?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure when I verbally said it, I said the questions.
You did.
And then when I wrote it, I wrote
Yeah.
But, it's okay. That's why I'm a math teacher. All right, so explain how you will model the outcome.
Single digit. 0 to 7. Right. 8 to 9. Wrong. And you're gonna have like 6 in the thingy bobby. I don't know if you need to know that, but
Yeah, well, in a second we will. So explain how you will simulate the trial. So
number generator thingy.
look at, you already said it was 6. So look at 6, 1 digit, random numbers.
Alright, when the freaking spell.
To see how many 0 to 7 there are, to indicate the number of correct answers.
I think I like this section.
So then,
It's kind of fun.
well, the beauty of it is, unless you just really don't know what you're doing, it's really hard to get it wrong because I can't prove what the numbers were that were on your calculator.
I don't understand how to do like
Unless you're doing the table.
Yeah, except for that's why I will make you do one with the table, so everybody's just the same. But
I don't understand. I do understand, but like when it's said, I know what it's trying to say. But when you're asking me how to simulate the trial, I have no clue like what to say. Like I know what it like when it's said, I'm like yes, that makes sense, but I can't like put it in words myself. Like I don't know what I'm trying to say, you know?
Like you can't do a fill in the blank, but you can do a multiple choice.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's what I said.
basically, when it's asking you how to simulate, it's always going to be something with random numbers.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to tell if you're looking at single digits or double digits, because it's always going to be some form of a percentage that you're looking at. So if it's like a percentage of 64, you got to look at 2 digits. If it's something that's even in groups of like 10, then obviously like at 80%, then you can just do it 1 digit. Okay, and then you're looking for, like it said, you have 6 multiple choice questions. So you've got to look at 6 numbers for every trial. Okay, like the basketball one's a little bit weird because it's like if you make the first, you look at the second. So in the random number table, had she not made the first, like you wouldn't have looked at the next 2 numbers in the table. You know what I mean? Yeah. And then you're just seeing how many correct or whatever it's asking you for is. All right, so clearly state what the response variable is.
Correctness of the answer.
Count how many correct answers she gets out of 6. All right, so then the next part, we're going to run 20 trials. So we're going to have the random integer from 0 to 9, 6 at a time. And so we're going to run 20 trials. Okay, and you're going to see how many correct answers you get. So any number from 0 to 7 is a correct answer. So you're going to count in your 6 numbers that it gives you, how many 0s to 7s do you have? And you're going to write that down.
It's actually not doing too bad. Guess I said that now she's doing bad.
Yeah, you said that now my person's doing that.
Ooh, that's your lowest score yet. Oh my gosh. But it's okay, just bring it back up now. Oh, wow.
I kept going after the 21s, and there was one that she only got 2 questions right. That's really bad, actually.
My lowest one was 3.
Yeah, my lowest was 3 as well.
My lowest was 4. My girl's too smart.
How many 6s
Except
did
it's
you
gonna
get?
be a 60. It's fine.
Mine got like
Wait, no. It's not 60.
1, 2, 3, 4. Mine got like 4 6s in a row. And then it went downhill from there.
Mine didn't get 4 6s in a row. She only got,
Mine got one.
she got 4 4 sixes, but she didn't get a
Mine got 5 sixes total. Wait, no. Yeah, mine got 6 sixes total, actually.
Alright, so then you're going to make a table for part F and write down how many times they got each thing.
4 out of 6 is a D,
It is a D. It's bad. Oh my gosh.
though. 5 out of 6 is a D,
I can't draw
I
straight
wrote
lines.
1, 2, 3, 7.
Where'd you get the 7 from?
Yo, I don't even know. We're not even going to 7.
But what?
We're going to 6. And I just guess I was wanting to put 7.
So then once you have that, add up all of those. We want to find the average number that she had correct.
Wait, that doesn't equal 20. Dang it, I missed one.
6. 4.
Wait, what are we adding? Wait.
So basically,
Seven.
you're gonna put 3 threes. You're gonna put basically you're gonna go through and you're gonna add all these numbers that I have in red up, Care, on yours, whatever you have. Add all those up, divide by 20, and that's how many points she gets right on average. I keep hitting the enter button instead of the plus sign, and it's really irritating.
Wait,
That is not.
so you're supposed to add the 3, the 8, the 7, and the 2?
I didn't
No,
add
these.
any of the plus signs, so I just kept on hitting.
Oh.
Technically, guys, if you didn't want to type it out, you could just do 3 times 2 plus 4 times 8 plus
I figure people might get confused if I said that, so I just did that.
Yeah, I would get confused actually.
It's okay.
Because I'm already confused.
Like, because you know by your table that certain ones are used certain times, so you don't have to individually type out each time. You can just add them.
She actually got a lot correct. She got 97 correct out of all of those.
Mine had 88 correct.
Ha! Mine got 98.
I got 92.
Wait, you had all the numbers.
So you do 92
of
divided
the 20
by.
trials?
Huh?
You had all the numbers of the 20 trials?
Yes, you're adding all of what I have in red there in E, and then divide by 20 to see how many on average they got correct.
Not too bad, except that would be easy, so. I got 4 right. I think. If I can math.
This girl, every answer, every quiz, gets about 4.6.
Honestly, if you miss one, I think you'd already have a B. So, like.
Did anybody not have their person get all 6 at some point?
What?
Did
No,
everybody have their
no.
person get all 6 right at least once? Did anybody have them miss all 6? Okay. So then when you go to state your conclusion, I was making sure, because if that hadn't happened, then we would change one statement in your conclusion. So obviously it's going to be for your number, but she might expect to get, in my case, 4.4 correct answers on average. But it is possible for her to get all 6 correct. It happened, in my case, 2 times in this simulation. Okay, so had yours not gotten all 6, you could say something like, it might be possible for her to get all 6 correct, but it did not happen in this simulation. Okay, but I think all of you said that yours did get all 6 at
Well,
least
It
once.
happened 7
Would you-
times in mine.
Wow.
Would you like put how many times they got 6 over 20? Because it asks what are your chances of getting them all right in the top, and that would give you your percentage, your chances.
Technically, yes.
I think this is the
It
most
asks
fun
that,
I've
but then
had
there's never
since
actually a
I've had
question that says do that. So, but yes, you would take that and
Okay, so But that's, you're not expected to put that in your conclusion.
no, don't worry about that. What I have is sufficient.
What? But the multiplication thing, I just checked.
I know I'm right.
Well, I didn't know what you were talking about.
Did you
Like,
not believe me?
No, I believed you. I just didn't know what you were talking
You're
about.
nonsense. You don't believe
No,
me.
I knew you were.
Okay, so I think the only one that we have left technically is number 6, but I need to either figure out how to get a random number table on here that I can mark on or something. I'm not sure what that's going to look like yet.
Can you just look one up?
She wants to have it on the video, I think.
Yeah, but I need to be able to edit it, like to draw on it. So that means I have to do like what I'm doing with these to like screenshot it to do it. I've just got to
Look one
figure
up,
out how.
Like the image of it, screenshot it, and then.
Well, yes, I know, but that's what I'm saying. I have to actually find one that matches one that I'm going to give y'all. Because if not, it's not going to work. So,
Oh, we're done for today? Yeah.
Good job, team.